Okay, hey real estate agents, this one is for you. Do you and does your lender have a daily success plan? We call it affectionately our DSP, Daily Success Plan. It's written out right here, in fact. This daily success plan is actually what not only helps us to achieve the growth that we're looking to achieve in our business, but it helps our partners. Every single Tuesday, we are making calls to a minimum of 6 people in the transaction to give an update and ask for referral opportunities. Wednesdays, we're calling our past client database. We call 2 letters of the alphabet every single week. And what are we doing? We're checking in with them, we're thanking them for the opportunity to serve them before, and we're asking them for a referral, which we then push back to the partner who initially sent that client to us. Thursdays, we love Thursdays. We call this PAL Day, P-A-L, pre-approved and looking. On Thursdays, we are calling and texting and partnering with every single pre-approved buyer we have in our mortgage office. We're asking them, are you going to look at a home? We're future casting with them to keep them interested in their home search, and we're keeping them solidified to the agent that brought them to us, making sure that that relationship stays strong. So realtors, listen, if you need a DSP, a daily success plan, you feel like you don't have an exact roadmap of what to do, who to call, who to talk to every day of the week, reach out. I would love to walk that through with you. And if your lender doesn't do something like this and partner with you to convert and send more business back your way, gosh, you need a new lender. So let's talk. Would love to help you.